I'm going to go through how to use a test bank such as Cognero, which is what I'm using, to import content into the new quiz feature of Canvas. It's not very straightforward, but it can be done. So if I want to import exam content, the first thing I have to do is open the exam in Cognero. And the way I can do that is drag it over into this main pane and it will open. This is my full exam. It's a bunch of multiple choice questions. Now I go to export. And what I want to do is I want to export this as a QTI 2.1 file. It's going to ask me where I want to put it. So I'll put it into my downloads folder, remembering that later on. And it will export from Cognero. Okay, as a zip file. Now, if I go to Canvas and I go to the quizzes feature within Canvas, I'm going to add a new quiz. I'm going to do new quizzes, submit that, give this a name. And then I'll just hit save. I'm not going to publish the thing yet. Okay, and this takes me to the new quiz feature. Okay, this is the builder. And so what I can do here, and this is what took me a little while to figure out, is I can import content from that QTI file directly in here. So if I go looking for that QTI file, there it is. Open that and say import. Now this might take a little while. Canvas is fairly slow with this. Now it's complete. And so now if I look at this, I can see that all of the questions that I exported out of the question bank have now been brought into my new Canvas quiz. There are 10 questions. And again, I can play around with the settings in terms of how I want to deliver these questions and everything like that. And for some strange reason, the title of this gets changed. So I'm going to make the title consistent with what I had before. I'm not sure that really matters. And then I can go down to the bottom here or actually I can just hit return and that should set everything up for the way it is. I hope this is helpful.